Very good afternoon, my dear students. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial regarding how to perform masking in Gimp. So first of all, we are going to open the Gimp. Go to Start, click over here and let it be opened. So meantime it is opening, I want to let you know that masking means highlighting a particular part of the picture. It is a very good tool to highlight somebody in a picture who's in a group. Okay, so let it be open. The libraries are getting opened. Yes, here we go. So first of all we click on File, then Open. So we are going to select a pic. Let's say this butterfly pic I have selected. Okay, now then we go to this layer tab, and here we are seeing this picture. We click on duplicate layer. We are going to create its duplicate layer, and all the functioning has to be performed on the duplicate layer. So then we go to colors. There's an option desaturate, then click on the option luminosity, then OK. After that we need to go again to the duplicate layer and right click on it, and there's an option add a layer mask. There's an option further white full opacity, which is already selected, and we'll click on add. Then we go to the brush option. After click on the brush, we're going to highlight the portion of the picture which we want. So the original color will come back as we are dragging the brush tool over the picture. So I want in this whole picture the butterfly will be highlighted. So this is how you're going to perform masking in Gimp. So thank you everybody. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.